Hello. Hi, good evening. We'll start our session, today's session. Yes, yes. Hi, Anusha. So I'm sharing my screen. So yesterday we have seen that operators, logical operator and bitwise operator. Okay. So arithmetic, assign, logical or bitwise completed. We are done with that. Okay. I'll go with relational operators. Okay. Mm, let me. So relational operators. So that name itself, it is showing that the relation between that variable or data types, whatever we will perform that operation. Okay. Let me open my Eclipse. It is loading. So today, what's the date? 29, right? Okay. Relational operators. Okay. So we are done with the bitwise logical, unary, arithmetic. We are left with the relation operator only. That I will show you. So here, all right, less than, greater than. Okay. So how to use that less than and greater than? So similarly, we have seen that equal to. Okay, and not equal to also we have here. This is your batch. So total we have 6 relation operators here. Let main method. Okay, no. So less than here means x less than y x greater than y. Okay, now less than or equal to x is less than or equal to y. Just example I'm giving here. Okay, now then after greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to y. Okay, so how many? We are good with the 4. Now remaining 2 equal. So in Java always equal means two times we will pass now, and not equal will pass like this, x exclamatory mark equal, like this. Okay, like this we will use all the relational operators in the programs. Capture this one, directly we'll jump into the program. You all guys are done? Perfect. So let's start directly a program. Okay, now. So I have created one more class with that relational operators. I'll take now int x equal to 300, int y equal to 300. So this is local variable, and this one also local variable, right? Now sys out x is not equal to y. Just a minute, I will explain this, don't worry. Sys out x is equal to y. Okay, so here there is a logic we are going to use here, that is a if else. Okay, so if else conditions we will use here the first time here. Listen carefully. Okay, if when we will use that if else means like you are my friend or Naveen is my friend, right? So out of multiple conditions, out of multiple statements, only one will get true, remaining everything false, right? So please try to be focused here. If we are creating, we are going to pass multiple condition. Out of that, only one will be the true statement, right? Observe here. I'll go and I'll create if I'll take it here. It is an executable code here. The syntax for if else I'll write here in that notes also, don't worry. Else. Okay. So what is the meaning? I'll tell you here. Either you are my friend or someone, Naresh or Suresh, whatever it may be. Okay. So if we are talking about, so that is a conditional statement. If you'll pass multiple conditions, out of multiple conditions, only one condition will be true. Then where will pass the condition? So we'll write if of inside the parenthesis, this one will pass our condition, right? For not equal to, what is that? So this one, x not equal to y. Okay, so this is the not equal condition. So I'll pass here. Okay, Now a not equal to, sorry, here y we are using x y, right? So this is the condition, x is not equal to y. Okay, x is a not equal to y, else this out, a x is equal to y. So in this condition, if you see here, I'll write here syntax. If in parenthesis inside condition, okay, after that inside this we'll write executable code. Okay, okay. Now else executable code, then we'll close. Okay, so this is how we will write a syntax for if else, right? So if inside the parenthesis will pass condition, after that we'll open that, inside that what is here, executable code. We will write here that what is that print statement, this is out system.out.println x is equal to y or x is not equal to y, we are writing that. Okay, so now coming to here, executable code. So, so enter syntax here. Please take it. Please capture this one immediately. If you are clear with that, then it will be easy for you to understand that if else conditions. Okay, inside whatever you are passing that multiple, only one will get true only. Okay, now coming to here, perfect. Now, so x is not equal to y. So what is the value of x? 300, which is 300. Y value is 300. Okay, so what exactly your control will do here? X is not equal to y. So your program will start execute from top to bottom. Okay, so at first it will go and check the 10th line. X value will be 300, y value will be 300. So x not equal to y. Is it true statement or false statement? It is a false condition. Okay, right guys. So it is a false condition. Why it is false? Here the both x and y values are same. So it is x equal to y, which is a 300 for x and y. Okay, so but the condition is x is not equal to y. Okay, so in that case, if the condition is false, the control will not go and execute inside this executable code. It will immediately go on check else one. Okay, right? So something is here, x is equal to y. So in terms of two condition, if it is a false, by default else will be true, right. So if is a false, else one is a true one. Okay, so let's go and execute this. So either it is daytime or nighttime, that's it only, like this, x is equal to y. Clear guys, right? That is the logic here. Please capture this one. Is it clear? Only one thing you need to remember, If it is a false, then it will go and execute the next one, else one. Okay, so inside this is a false one. X is not equal to, it is a false condition as per this local variable, whatever we defined here, right? So that's it. Please take it. Please capture this. Very easy one. Entire operators, simple. So this logic is about number comparison. Okay. Now this is even number comparison. Okay, now I move to string p equal to hello. This is your string p, and string q equal to hello. Okay, so in Java, uppercase, lowercase, both are same or not same? Not same. Already we have seen that in Java, uppercase is not equal to lowercase because Java is a case sensitive, right? Right. So, so both are hello, but it is uppercase, it is a lowercase. So both are different here. If both are different entity, we'll go and we'll check the condition. So here we'll compare string comparison here, right? If you are talking about the string comparison, so this is the first way. Java is always case sensitive. Yes or no? Now, if P equal to Q, sys out P and Q are equal for first way. Now I'll write else sys out P and Q are not equal for first way. Okay. I'll write this like, can write whatever you want. Okay. So what is happening here in string comparison? P is hello, Q is hello, both are equal? No. So in that case, your condition, it will go and execute the else one. Okay. I'll show you that output, right? So P and Q are not equal for, not equal, not equal for first way, right? So this is a string comparison, right guys? Clear? So both are same word, but there is a case sensitive different words, uppercase and lower case. That is how we can use here first way. Now String comparison. Second, that is case sensitive. If P, so this string is a predefined class in Java. If P and then after use dot, it will give all the string class. You can see here equals, right? Okay. P equals Q. This is out. P and Q are all right. Okay. But second no. Else one. Else sorry. Okay. Second one. Else P and Q are not equal. Then it will go and check the second one. Okay. Now let me execute. Sorry. Right. This is how we can use second way of comparison. String comparison. Now. And the third way, string comparison. This is one way. Third way. Okay. Now ignore case. Okay. P equals ignore case. It will ignore the case sensitive. I'll show you. 1 second. If P dot P dot equals what happened? Dot equals Q. Let's check it how it works. This is out. P and Q are equal for third way. Let me write and explain you later. Okay. Now else out q or not equal for third way. Okay. It is extra one, right? These are three. Something we miss. Let me give here. Now it is perfect. Okay. Suppose it should be within this, right? Okay. Now it is clear. Okay, perfect. Now let's check it. Now you can take it screenshot, right? So this is the different ways of string comparisons. Please take a screenshot. So this is a hello, hello. Uppercase and lowercase both are different. You can see here. Yes. Hello.
Yes, Sunil, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
I mean, I understand the concept of this one, but in which situations, I mean, when we are using this all cases, I mean, equals and equals, equals and equals, similar, I mean, the scenarios where we are using this, I just want to know.
Yeah, that I will explain you. That I will explain you. Once you are done with the topics, we will in the real time. That I will explain you. Don't worry.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. No. Is it clear as of now? The concept is it clear for everyone? Can you please use chat option? Is it clear? It is a very easy one. I'm giving different ways how we can compare that. Okay. Equals here. Ignore case also. We have seen that. Done, guys. You're done with that screenshot. I'll show you that complete program. Okay, this one. So for the relational operator, output also, please take it. Perfect. Okay, now. So I'll come to my syllabus. So we are done with the operator part, right? So we are good with the operators part. We are good with the relational operators also. And conditional statement loop concepts. No. No. Okay. Guys, I think 31st is the Diwali. You want a holiday for Diwali, guys? Guys, can you please respond? I'll give you poll here if you want. Okay. Can you please respond? Mm, 31st. Okay. So guys, please respond clearly. So there is a poll option. Do you want holiday on Diwali? No need. Okay. Great. Come on. Time is 30 seconds running. No need for me. Okay. Thanks, Anusha. Okay. So I'll update it. Okay. So maximum I'll take no need as we received a maximum number of people are not interested to take holiday. So maximum I'll take on that because why I'm asking that you'll get a lot of cracker sound. I don't know how you'll listen that. If you are getting too much of noise, maximum I will try to have a peaceful place to conduct that class. Okay, so maximum we will plan to conduct a class on the Diwali, right? Okay, so if in case it's a lot of if you are getting a lot of noise, then we'll check alternative way. Okay, so fine now. Just a minute. Conditional state. Now, conditional statement. Now, if else statement. Okay, if else. It is used to check the condition. Okay, I'll tell you with the help of program how it works. If else one. If you're talking about some if else only, I'll tell you. I'll take main method. Yes. Okay. Now int a equal to 15. So is it local variable or global variable? Fatafat tell me. Local variable. I'll go and I'll pause. Now, if A is less than 10, sys out. Okay, A is less than 10. Okay, now let me execute. Guess what should be the output here? What should be the output? Nothing we are getting, nothing is printing here. Why? So here the condition is false, right? So if the condition is false, then it will not go and execute. That's it. The control will not go and execute if the condition get false, right? So a value is 15. Here, what is the condition? A is less than 10. If the condition is false, then control will not go inside the, it will not get into the if block. If block. So I'll show you. For example, if I'm making it is a is greater than 10, what will happen? Check it. It is printing here. That's it. That is a miracle. Is there any rocket science here? Nothing. That's it only. Very easy way. We can learn it. Right? So the condition is true. If the condition is true, then the control will get into that if black. Then the statement is printing here. Then it's getting printing here. So how it will print? Like this. If you are giving less than, it will not print. So this is about if statement. Please capture this one, right? So if else already you have taken the screenshot. So this is S plus. This is only for if. Okay. So this is only for if. Okay. So please capture this quickly. Fatafat. Very easy. That's it only. Okay. Now I'll take second one. If else 2. With the help of main method, I'll take now. Okay. Int a equal to 10. This is local variable. Now the condition. Now I'll go with the if else. If, okay, I'll tell you. If a by 2 equal to 0. Okay. This is out. Result of a is equal to 0 else that means all the condition. Guess else will not have any condition here. Directly it will execute. Okay. We are giving condition for if only, not for else. Okay. Directly it will go for execution. Now this out. Result of a is not equal to 0. Okay. Now let's go and execute this one. So result of a is not equal to 0. Okay, so a by 2, what will happen here, guys? So 10 by 2 equal to 5, right? So what's the a value here? 10. Okay, 10 by 2 equal to 5. It is not 0, right? So that is how it will print the else one. Okay, so if condition is a false, as if condition is a false, the control will not going for if block. Okay, why it is not going for printing this if block? Because that if condition is a false, so that's a reason directly it will go and check the next one. What's the next one? Else one. So else, in else block, system.out.println result of a is not equal to 0. So that is the same we are getting here in that output. That's it only. Okay, so capture this one. Okay, that is, 1 second. Okay, so please take it. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? If else, how it is working? Okay. So now coming to, if we are talking about a conditional statement, if statement, if else statement. Okay. So hope we are done with the screenshot, right? For this one, if else 2. Guys, hope you are following that videos, recording videos are available in the tab. Please follow that for practicing, or if you want to recap anything. If you're missing to take a screenshot, you can go with that video also. We'll wait for another 5 seconds for lazy fellows. Okay, chill. So now the third one which we are talking about, that is if else if ladder statement. Hope you are aware of ladder. What is a ladder? Right, right. So ladder means we are just trying to a step up or step down. with a different step of same approach in the different conditions. So in that ladder step, in same manner, if else if ladder step, that means multiple conditions. See, in your if statement, you have used one condition. In case of if else, using one condition, or either else is true or if else is true. That means if two conditions, two set of conditions we are checking. Now if else ladder, so we'll check more than two condition. Out of more condition, only one will true. So here we can have four conditions or 40 condition or lakhs of condition, right? So out of all that condition, one will get true. We'll go and we'll use if else if ladder. If else 3. Now check it. Int q equal to 300. So this is your local variable, correct? Then int w equal to 400. This is also your local variable, right? Right. Yes or no? If one condition will have to pass, if q is less than w, sits out q is lesser. Now else if you are going for a multiple condition, will pass if else. Okay, so here we are having only else. Okay, so here only else. Now here else if. Okay, now only once else if, multiple times else if q is equal to w, then sys out q is equal to w. Now else sys out q is greater, right. So now check here what will happen here. I'll tell you. So what is the first condition? So q is less than w, so it is a false condition. Okay, because 400, q value will be 300, w value will be 400. So q is less than w, it is a false statement. Okay, now check it how it will print out of multiple condition. So q is lesser. Okay, if I'll make it 300, how it will work? Let's check it. Q is equal to, right? Okay, now if I can make it 200, q is greater, right? So out of multiple conditions we are checking here. So please capture this one. Again, I'll make it 400. So this is how we will use it. So here it is an extension of condition. Whatever you want, you can use only once. Else if it is a multiple one. If you are using else if it is a multiple times. Capture this one. Done. So only one thing you need to remember, guys. If it is a false one, if you are giving that any condition, if it is a false, then it will go and check that true condition. The control will go and check the true one. Then it will print. Okay, okay. No, perfect. No. Nested if it means if block inside if block, right? Nested if statement means if block inside if block. Okay, so box inside one more box like that. Okay, how we can place it? So box inside box, that is called nested if statement. So please capture this screenshot for this one. We'll go for the program directly. We'll jump into the program. Okay, done. Hope you are done with that screenshot. Just a minute. Let's open WhatsApp 56. Okay. I'll go with that. If else 4. Else 4. I'll take main method. Okay, perfect. Now check it. Int is equal to 25. So this one will be local variable, right? Now int weight equal to 55. This is also local variable, right? Now if age is greater than 18, okay, inside if I'll give one more if weight is greater than 50, weight is greater than 50. Okay, now this is outer if block. Okay, now this one will be inner if block. Okay, okay, now sys out eligible. Now how it will works, I'll show you. Else sys out not eligible. It is printing eligible if it is a true statement. How it will works, let's check it. I will explain you. So it is printing eligible. Okay, because if flag first it will come, check it. What is the age is? Int age equal to 25, int weight equal to 55. Okay, so age is greater than 18. Okay, okay, so it is a right, true or false. Age is greater than, it's a true condition. Okay, now it will go and check the inner if black also. Weight is greater than 50, right? In this case it will print eligible, right guys? So as it is true statement. Now suppose else, now else sys out is is not greater than 18, right? Else one. Now let's go and check it. Right? Eligible is getting printing. If I make it age is 15, then the control will go on check the outer black. As inner if black is false, then it will, the control will come out of inner if black. See here. So age is not greater than 18. So it is outer if black. Okay. So it is not going for inner if black. Right, guys? So age is greater than 18. So this is a false condition. Now age is 15. I make 15. I made it as 15. So that's the reason it is a false statement. Okay. So if it is a false one, the control will not go and check the inner if black. Okay. So that is how it is not printing all this inner if black. Okay. Directly it will go out of inner if black and it is checking outer if black. That is how we are getting output age is greater than 18. That's it. Please capture this one. So this is all about your conditional statement. If else, if else if, ladder and nested if. Okay. If inside if, how we can make it like this, we can make it. Okay. So if I can make it 25, let me show you that output. It eligible is getting 20. Okay. 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 Is it done? Please take it. Please capture this one. Okay. Done, guys. Okay. We are good with the conditional statement. So in next class, I'll go for loop concept. Okay, guys. Okay. So I'll stop here for the day. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. We'll meet again in the next class. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye.